In recent years, with rising demand for its high-performance vehicles, Tesla has been focusing on casting technology to produce larger parts of its vehicles in bigger pieces. To fulfill this purpose, Tesla Incorporated has launched the world's largest die-casting machine, signifying a notable development in automaking as well as in metal forming. Welcome to TechSpot. Currently functional at the Tesla's manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, the Giga Press is the largest die-casting machine in the world to date. Weighing up to 430 tons with a clamping force of up to 61,000 kilonewtons. These massive die-casting machines are capable of extremely large components. The name Giga Press was first minted by IDRA Group's general manager, Ricardo Ferrario. The IDRA Group launched the Giga Press late in 2018, and it has been a part of their catalog since then. It was only until late 2020 that Tesla has begun using a customized OL6100 CS Giga Press. Currently, IDRA and LK Group are the only ones producing these machines, and Tesla happens to be the first company ever to order the Giga Press. The president of automotive at Tesla also asserted that they are pulling a giant machine to build full-size cars in the same way toy cars are made. Since then, people associated with the die-casting industry are keen to witness this beast. The enormous machine, called the OL6100 CS, measures 20 meters long by 5 meters high and weighs 400 metric tons. Reportedly, the size of the new machine required Tesla to build it outside the plant, and that it assembled a new structure adjacent to the Fremont plant to cover the OL6100 CS. Tesla's ingenious Model Y mega casting has materialized of the enormous Giga Press at Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla will fuse front and rear mega casting with its fresh battery pack to formulate the underbody of Model Y, with one big rear underbody that used to be made of 70 parts. Prevailing automotive chassis are manufactured out of hundreds of individual parts, which are composed of numerous different materials and need to be linked together in various ways. Tesla intends to utilize two huge single castings for the front and rear of the body sections, and to unite them with the battery pack that works as a part of the body structure. This modification lessens weight and considerably simplifies the assembling of the vehicle. As Elon Musk tells the story behind his vision regarding mega casting, one day he was analyzing a die-cast toy car on his desk, and his curious mind wondered what the practical size limit for casting would be. After some research, he came to know that there is no size limit, and voila! If you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Tesla hopes to use its new press to create two aluminum parts that will shape the rear underbody of its Model Y electric crossover vehicle. The Model Y, that is in production since January, is designed with a rear underbody comprised of 3 parts. But fewer parts will require even fewer production phases and sees less space for machinery, materials and parts storage, handling, as well as reduced labor costs. Tesla intends to eventually cast a single component for the Model Y underbody structure. The automaker and its CEO, Elon Musk, have earlier put forward the possibilities of forming an entire automotive structure from a single casting. The OL6100 CS may also be seen as a part of the vision towards establishing larger die-casting machines to produce automotive components and achieve certain goals. For handling the aluminum alloy, the Giga Press uses 2 sets of ovens. One works as a melting oven powered by natural gas and operates at 850 degrees Celsius, while another oven stores and supplies the liquid metal heated by electrical power and operates at 750 to 850 degrees Celsius. The Giga Press uses a 4,000-liter tank for creating a vacuum inside the mold. Produced by Fonderex, a Swiss company that first invented the vacuum technology for high-pressure die casting. The quenching tank quickly diminishes the temperature of the casting to a preferable limit. It is enabling one to accomplish some distinct properties for a metal casting. There are mechanical trimming press and laser trim for rapidly cutting of additional metal attached to the casting. There is a recycling system to utilize the scrap metals. The scrap aluminum is shredded, and the offcuts are used for the next casting rotations. It also uses various inspection devices to check the finished castings, such as CMM X-ray machines. The die casting machine takes a unique molten material and works like 3D printing to extract the portion of the car as it is molded into the exact shape that Tesla needs. The die casting machine forces a molten metal alloy into a reusable mold. This mold is then opened and the solidified piece is cooled and cleaned by robots and made ready for use. Quality checks are also performed on the solidified metal. Each fresh piece, from start to finish, takes 1 to 2 minutes and equals about 1,000 castings a day per machine. It's making real-life full-sized cars, just like a toy car is made. This video from 1965 is the same kind of concept. According to Foundry and Management Technology, Tesla contends that the new machine will reduce build time, operation costs, costs of manufacturing, factory footprint, factory operating costs, tooling costs, and/or quantity of equipment. Elon Musk has stated that its die casting machines will save 70 components glued together to form the same singular piece of a car. This is an amazing improvement and will save time and money while increasing quality. Essentially, Tesla is going to be able to make large portions of its cars with a single tub of molten, secret ingredient like steel that Tesla only created, that will form into exactly what it needs, saving the need for numerous robots and people to weld and put those pieces together. Tesla has launched another one of those gigantic machines at the Fremont factory last September, and has reportedly ordered many of those machines to deploy at the new factories. In a video, IDRA has officially announced that it has received an order for a giant 8,000-ton die casting machine that will be the tool of the production of the iconic Tesla Cybertruck and possibly other Tesla cars. The new Giga Press is the one that Tesla CEO Elon Musk talked about during the Q4 2020 earnings call. It is still hazy how many IDRA Giga Press machines Tesla will install in Giga, Texas, as the installation process seems to be moving along smoothly and gaining pace. Giga, Texas seems to be making great progress and appears to be following Tesla's timeline. According to Roberts, a lot of insulation was being placed on top of steel structures and the paint shop walls. He also identified that the crew working on Giga, Texas seemed to be rising. The machine now in use at the California plant is one of 2 that Tesla has ordered from IDRA. The second will be installed at Tesla's Gigafactory 3 in Shanghai. In Giga Berlin, Tesla plans to install as many as 8 Giga Press machines for production. Tesla received approval from Brandenburg State Office for the Environment to install casting machines in Gigafactory Berlin in March. This American motor giant has already brought many revolutionary transitions to the automotive world. Seeing the growing pace of the company, it's pretty evident that Tesla is going to introduce the world to hundreds of other advancements. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.